Hello everyone, and thank you for this opportunity. My name is Amit Bhimte. I was born in Madhya Pradesh and brought up in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. From here only I completed my schooling. Currently I am in 7th sem pursuing a B.Tech in Biomedical Engineering at NIT Raipur. During my academic journey, I was totally engaged in multiple projects and internship. My last internship was in IT Indore, where I developed a VR-based medical tool in Unity game engine for MetaQuest 3. After that, my second internship was in NIT Raipur under Dr. Nindal sir, where my project is related to non-verbal communication and neural synchronization, where I took two subjects and take their data for EEG acquisition and analysis. I give them some input and perform some tasks related to EEG acquisition. My final year project was related to digital microfluidic. My task is to design and develop a switching platform for digital microfluidic platform, where I work with Arduino's relay board and switching platforms. And after that, create a I created three electrodes and perform DC sputtering. And still this project is going on. At the same time, I was working on two projects. So my second project is related to neural correlates with pro-social word and non-pro-social word from taken Bhagavad Gita. Initially, we design and develop a total program and experiment in Super Lab and give them subject some image and words. And after that, we have initially tell all the information, and based on the image and action word, the subject will press the input like press 1 or press 2. This is, and after that we analyze the EG data. On the other hand, I am working on my data analytical skill. For that, I have developed multiple data analytics projects like coffee shop analysis and sales analysis. For that, I have learned multiple languages like Python, SQL, Excel, and for dashboard, I have learned Power BI. Beyond my academics, I was engaged in multiple clubs and committee and extracurricular activity. I am a captain of my college athletic team and represent my institute in national level inter-IIT competition. Sergeant in NCC. Represent my unit in national level camp and competitions. I have also contributed in a social outreach program in UPA member, where I conduct a health camp under Nardaha village. I have been an active long runner and I have won gold in multiple 16-meter race and long marathon. I am a boxer. Last month I won silver medal in open boxing championship at 55 category. I was awarded ONGC scholarship from my first year onwards and secured a first place in Sayog mock placement. Looking forward, I want to build my career in medical device, and I really want to stay connected and updated with this medical clinical ecosystem. And I really enjoy seeing them how the machine is working and how the clinician use it and how the user will feedback the machines. Like, I want to grow me as a professional who can lead the team and support the equipment, modify if required, and this is how we can build our new medical device. So I have applied for clinical technology specialist role. For what till now I get the information and understand the thing that it involves the demonstrating the device in clinical setting, training the therapist and user, support installing and giving servicing and troubleshooting if required, and taking the feedback from user and the field area. It also involves the communication between the engineer team so that our project will improve and day by day it will update as perfect. I feel that I should be high because what I did previously during my internship is what Galanto is doing now. So during my internship, I was working on VR called MetaQuest 3, where I work with Unity game engine and develop project from scratch. Like, I work on DICOM data and interact, like suppose I have take the medical data and how I can interact with user XR toolkit, and suppose I have take the data and how I can interact, like zoom in, zoom out, and multiple tasks I can perform. Same as Galanto is doing in VR support and the rehabilitation program and perform sensor based technology. So I thought that this role is literally matched with my previous work, and on the other hand I really want to work with this role because I want to interact with the patients and how this device will literally help them. It will really help my career also. So based on my research till now, I got the information that Galanto Innovation is working on the rehabilitation technology for those who has stroke or neuro recovery. Like suppose those whose hand is not working properly or there will be some neuro problem is there. So the first thing I would like to admire that they are amazing gloves. So it track the fingers, wrist and the elbow movement. So by observing this all movement, the therapist can progress and understand the progress of patients. And the second thing is their game approach, like how they are approaching, how they are using the game approach for their devising. It will literally engage with the patient and literally help for better recovery. On the other hand, they are working on the electrical stimulation functional, so that will literally focus on the specific area. One of the day, the co-founder, ma'am, she's our alumni, came to our college for session and she gave a brief about the device. And after that, she demonstrated how the device is working. I feel literally amazed and it's give me a huge impression and solid impression for this device. And after that, I searched more about this. And after that, I feel that you are working on the ground. Like it literally help the patient for those who are suffering from this type of neuro problem. And it work both ground, like it literally help the clinician and patient for their working. Join your company as this will literally grow my technical knowledge as well as my personal knowledge. It require the communication and the sympathy of for patient.